Hello, my beautiful people. Good evening, everyone. It's your girl, your sister, Ivy Talk Show, aka alias Ide Your Body, Ide My Body. Please, guys, support me on my YouTube channel. I am a new YouTuber. Please support your girl. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you do that, Almighty God will bless you. Turn off the notification bell. At any time I upload a new video, you will be the first person to notify. Okay? Turn off the notification bell. You get why? Please, my brothers and sisters, when you come across this video, give this video a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and to your loved ones. Thank you for your supporting. Thank you, all my beautiful loved ones. Thank you all for coming. Thank you, all my subscribers. I thank you all. I thank you, guys. You all are blessed in Jesus' name. Amen. So today's topic, I want to talk about fake life. You know, fake life where we they live, where people they live. You know, for me, nobody want upset in the live fake life. Why some he pronounce for their life? He pronounce for many people life, say yes, that they live fake life. Why some he not see pronounce? People where if they live this fake life, you where you know they live fake life. Now you, now they go they tell, say, go that side. Now you they live fake life. They go they tell you say now you they live fake life. Now me and you, we want to talk about today. Please, guys, when you come across this video, I need your opinion. Write the comment on the comment section and give your opinion. I will see it. Please do that for your girl. So fake life, it dey everywhere. It dey everywhere. You don't understand? Me, I'm not bad of fake life. You know why? Why me I not like fake life. Waiting you not be, not tell your fellow human being, not tell your friends say now you be, because this word is not too, it's too small where you for live fake life. You don't know, you don't know who know you, Richards. You don't know who just know you. Who know you. You don't know. Why, guys? My people, stop. Let's stop. Move, stop. Move. Not they live fake life. Fake life. How many people it don't help? You don't help anybody, eh? Truth is bitter. Who want talk truth now? You don't see clothes where go talk am. Now who want tell you as it they be? Now she they live the fake life. Now she want consider they tell you, or now you want consider they tell you say now you they live the fake life. Whereas now this particular person now they live fake life. Fake life, now disease, and at the same time now error. Now error. Be yourself. Now me they talk always. I say ladies, especially the ladies, men not to they live fake life like that. Now women now live fake like past. Be yourself. For me, I never see who me want live fake life for. They never born that person. Waiting I not be. I call tell you say I be, you get happy. You not get happy now. You not get help. You see, so I not go feel because of you. Me I can't tell you now. Me I can't tell people say, see waiting I not be. I can't say I be. Even if now one shirt now you get, they wash them. They see they wear them. It no matter. Now where you they go? Now your destiny, now important. Wetin you want become, now important to you. Material things, not today important. People don't understand. People, they seek for salvation. People, they seek for better life, not fake life. Fake life, it can only destroy you and distract you. It go comot you for track. You no go know what you they do again. Another person show anything. You want to see be like that. You want to go show. And if it not be your property, if it not be your thing, based on say say somebody show, maybe that person, if that person not maybe that person not they live fake life. You want your imitate is not good, eh? If they cause this, if they cause this zaga, if they cause problem all over, mistake. You know, going person make mistake 2 times. Now, what do you do for Nigeria? You don't live fake life. Don't lie life full everywhere. Now, so your papa na big man. Now, so your mama na your mama gets all shade where they no be near her. I don't care. I don't want to know where your mama for the trade. You don't lie. Lie not go help you. It is say if they lie they help. If I don't help many people, we ask we you never be that. They not go kill you put. I never finish my house. No be big deal. Wait till you see. For example, maybe she or he will finish in you. You know see am. Bini de me parable say no gear who or wagbona. No ma gear who or my amwe wegbeze avitemen. No. You need to give all those people word of encouragement, not to laugh at them, not to tell them go and relax yourself. When I'm boy agbebo, when I'm mie, no ma seti bowa, when I'm seti reach where ye turn atire. You know, umami no sunu. Understand? Emi ya no mie na omie o nuta, because it can be no be the type where you see money for Europe. It can be you see money. Or who or see no ma get una, you know go kill yourself. So you see, now some people where they laugh people, now they make people go they do fake life. What did they not be? They got to say they be. Unto say friends don't laugh or people don't laugh. But for me, even if person come out can't laugh me, na so. He not give me the audacity. He not give me the power or any energy. Me I can go de sit down. I will come de valor. It do have valor. I will come de valor. Waiting I not be. I will come say I be. Who be that person? That person don't bath. He get pomade to rub. Me pomade the sister. He not get pomade. Person, woman like me, he not go fit pepper me. Make me go de do waiting. I'm not supposed to. Nine. Enough fit pepper me, my sister. So you just give yourself to lady like you or man like you. So may it turn you. Oh yeah, where do you ofeno de you talk or do you be car? Be yourself. Be a man, being a woman. Please be yourself. If you're yagbe. Abeti man is you want. Yes, you want. If you're yagbe, Emma, o mama no nya we say. You don't need to brag. You don't need to proud. You don't need to. You don't need to say it. I'm this and that. It cannot help you. You don't know who is your helper around that time. That particular time when you dey perere, when you dey use your mouth, they talk heaven ahead. You don't know who God put for there. When you want help you, when you want support you. You understand? And even if you not get every night boy, no man take care. No use person you content they do your own. Be yourself. Even though now one with you get, they put time for your head. They might results. People they never call results. I be it is they don't call result. Who be your sister? Who be your brother? Who be your friend? We want call result. We go never call result. It doesn't done that way. Hello. Hey, imi ove okoni wa me odo mu mi ladian eri yen makin medu avie or emi ni na ogo me ibe ya borrow ibe do ya show e made the word is possible wetin I get I go use am. I like I no sabi makeup oh. I like oh and the wear one shirt oh for me oh. I dey talk about me now. I like oh I dey wear one shoe oh take dey post for my Facebook or take dey post from anything posingable. I don't care to know. Or the way I call they talk now. I call the person can say blah blah blah. No. That is why now me they talk am. Say please be yourself. I be myself. Now read me you see so. Nobody way no sabi. But they big pass. Both small, even though you be small person, even though you be big person, they big pass, don't be stupid. They big pass on those things. Fake life, say no to fake life. Fake life cannot help you. It will reduce you. It will reduce you. The time where you want to focus for your life, the time where you want to do with your mates, if your mate they pepper you, the time you want to focus, they do one. You can't dey after fake life. You can't dey demand for waiting no be you. You can't dey demand waiting you know dream of for your life. Why not pursue that dream and let's see if you will become waiting people they laugh you or waiting you they show will not be your own. Why? You feel go person has maybe you want snap picture because this Europe with this so some people has not fine. They will go snap picture for another person has. That one are normal. You understand? That one you define fine background to snap picture. You understand? All those one not be fake life. Fake life say clothes will not be your you go wear them. House will not be your you go say na my house. You go video and say na your house. Or level where you never reach at all, you say you reach am. School where you not go, you say you finish university. So you get the enemy near dosiaga because ava proko. You say you get enemy degree and no know as I want to talk am. Who care to hear? You understand where they drive to. So by the time the thing will come after you, now disgraceful. Forget. Now forget who felt like you, he go dislike you. Who felt take you as a personal person. Once he know say wetin you they show, wetin you they do, no be wetin you be, now you be. He go hate you. Now will be now human being now human being. Now human be like you. Blood they flow. Okay? You not get husband. You go say you get husband. Single mother go dey cry say he no get husband. And you self, you no get husband. You go see the pepper single mother say, no not the hear word now. No not the hear word. I don't know why. But now the same page. Now you with and day. No. What you need to tell them? Be patient because all men now the same. Now small money they take pass good past each other. What if this one take good? Don't be this one take good. Now those encouragement, now you go give them. Now you go give your sister or now you go give your brother. Now so your brother go cry, come, your wife, blah blah blah. Look, brother, check yourself. Whether you self, you see, you not see get error. Everybody get error. Everybody get error, okay? But fake life and character where you not get, you want come fake and you say you get them. By the time along the line, everything go show. You don't ever see where they set fire. They go say, may smoke, may not come out. No, smoke must come out. There is no fire without no smoke. You see, fake life or anything where you concern fake, it's not good. Maybe see they do because I've almost all. Emina when a baba game, akare baba anado ataibo seti. Evi got the egbe kan egbe ne. Akare baba na nido atai. E baba na when ege hon odo hon. E bo na when ege hon iye do hon. So sister, if you dey do am, wetin no be your own. You dey not take the pose, you dey borrow and no be your own. You dey not take the pepper, you fellow human being wey sit down on you. You say you be motivation, you dey motivate am. That one not be motivation. You know the motivator. You want make am go put hand for where hand never reach. It gets as they motivate. Motivate as in be yourself. Use yourself to make example to audience. Use yourself to make example to people, so that people will use your whole thing, learn. Say me, I know they live fake life. And we know say nobody want believe, nobody will believe, nobody will want see claim say they live fake life. Waiting me, I know say na fake life. Waiting not be your own, you say na your own. Waiting you not be, you say na you be. And has way you never do, and you new finish am, you say na natic bigidi or blah blah blah. You can all those things. Let me know say na fake life. You dey dress first na your clothes. Now you buy am. Even though na 1 naira you take buy your clothes, you wear am. So far no malware, no fitty way or important. No, you know me say you go buy the cloth for 150. Now marker store. You not dey race with anybody. You not dey competition with anybody. This one not be a competition stage. People where they do competition, they fit. They do one. No be Aussie gland, no be Aussie gland. Now therefore they do competition. You like you wear 2 naira shoe. No me interest nesuno. You not concern anybody. Now your leg, now you wear am. You no cry. So far you not go borrow. Tomorrow come now. They not come laugh you. They not come disgrace you. Now your 2 naira shoe, now you put on. The way you take wear am, it go fit you. You put am for Facebook. Definitely you will see person wey go see like am, wey go comment to and say, I love your dressing, or beautiful, or lenemi. You know me. That is why you be yourself. Uma awema raye emiere, awema wujogere eminume, oya han. Emiwe nujigo we obowo ya gbazana, ogiye 2 naira, ogiye 3 naira. Now your hands, now your money, and you take buy. Me, I don't believe, you know, ne marker or no marker. Emi no won yanjo. Me rien ti rudo okwopa or biakpa. Ido ya de yosa. Emi ni hi, iwi want to say I want to be there or I want to join them. How? You understand? Emi ya yo mami. Emi oni. Ohono guy 2 naira ewu ejo. Hono guy street market ewu ejo. Take it from me. We see aye ewo nya mo nya egbuwe me rejoji egbuwe me rejoji. So leave me for waiting I be. Don't come and motivate fake motivate. Udoya motivate me. Ni doya de yusa or ni do are ukpo nije iduaro. Na meka omanete ija egbe ekie ona adu amu ija egbe adu amona werasi obo we maite si ija egbe on to say ohuan compare egbe with the main ija egbe. Then udoya de yusa. You see all those things. No. Uwu viese udu aoe venu aya mu egbe ere the next meeting. Udu aoe venu aya compose ye. Udu aoe venu aya dole gbeje ne ma make nari ye di oko wenu e. Udu igo nu ukwe ya mu go susu. Udu ya ze emi janga ye ni we ya go, but uwe gbege. You say your body dey hot pepper. Because it goes so ewe ya vena, it goes so wezekwana. Understand? Aye gbe ya tama. Emi Nike, I'm supposed ni ma claim me. As you see me so, I did social media, I did YouTube, I been a YouTuber, I did on my own, I did my life. You understand? I know they say I want to compare myself, or I want to do past myself, or I want to say I want to wear waiting. I want to do waiting my hand no rich. No. Somebody there will go like me for who I am. People there way he still like me, way is they still like the way I take day. He no get as you want to do rich, even though na shalabia you dey wear. People see the way go see like am. People see the way go see value am. So you know me say you must go borrow. You know me say you must fake. You know me say you must use people things stay tingbe before people go notice you. Who go notice you? Go notice you when the right time come. You don't beg for people to notice you, and you know you don't need to go and beg for people property to make people to feel good. When you get to it, when you be yourself later, you go to regret what have I done. It's not call for. It's hero, my sister. Where you dey, where your mate they seek, your mate they seek for salvation. You are there seeking for fake life. You are there planning to go and take people property to turn to your own. Later, today I reach, tomorrow I'm not gonna reach again. In a way, I was so person before, and I get money before, and I get webu. I'm only supposed to read the time. You understand? For example, if you're looking for the other side, because Erikari na wa kan before who blah 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 no or late sister. So they go buckle up and keep on moving to life na school. Try. You see be that person where you fair be. No be by con they talk on, by con they proud down, by con they do this one. Help no day. Help no day. Say no to fake life. Say no to fake life. Say no to people and stop looking people that I want to be like this, I want to be like that. It will not help you. It will only destroy your home. If you dey husband house, your husband no fit do one. You can't get BB. You can't the vest. You know, your character will can't change for house. If they happen for different area, by the time you don't make that mistake, another woman will come enter the house now. You can't balance now. You can't the outside go the pepper, go the talk say you carry your husband for your hand. You see, please, because even no your body or say we. I'm here na ya muse. Nana mi ma mose ma. Ami ege ni go ayaji we o. Nu ya mi we von. Ege ni we von. Latest we von ha me yaladia. Ege ni the marker where you know where people take laugh you. That time where God don't bless you and when you don't arrive, you go come. If you see the type of where you like all those material things, maybe then you will go for it. Since na material things now you come for. You will still go for it. But now, take a shippy and relax your mind. Don't look people eye. Hey, you go my eye. Sit down, look, now be dog name. Fake life. At the end, disgrace here, you know. I want you to take bottle. All the here, offend not day you told Dr. Gibeka. That's the Peka Giaco. How? Respect yourself. Emma. Emi va woman, emetemeno. Emetemore. So be wise. Wisdom is not common. Wisdom is not common. Apply your wisdom, sister. Apply your wisdom, brother. Now make me I tell like Igbo men. Now I tell like Igbo men. Igbo men the day country. If they never do what they carry, they come. They don't know whether this one they exist, this one they exist. Now they will come they show themselves. And I mean we pass. Now me do this one pass. Or they'll come go they show it time they never take go find money. They'll come go they show fake do fake things. No. Go they do fake life. Go they show. You see I see it. It's just they pursue waiting they pursue. But you did there, they show waiting you not get. They show fake life. No. Let's follow the way our brothers they do. Let's follow the way some of our sisters. Let's let's follow them for the track. No will not go the bire. Now you got bire because MSR because here where Irinaya see a woman, a woman ya see. Because someone was them who and then okay do fia where you go watching in a yahu a wivon ye moju a woman ya there ye joy who joy your bo jere sister ezogare emi e fe nu wa do le jere omo na omo no keep a secret omo na omo no ri eme yo to te ko okunu gba gui okunu wa anything eta e ma very oni opa ofo e ma mi kere wa we mi kere o keep e de wa gui we ezo no kwadore emi e fe nu boru e all day because on we a fake life ni social media we na do show e on we do show e my bi agun social media ni o can be disgrace you he come back to the social media to come and disgrace you. Then why not be yourself? You see, huh? So now this one now I get to tell my people, say no to fake life. You know, this is the message for today. Please, my brother, when you come across this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends. You see, I'm not here to bring my brothers down. I'm not here to insult my elder or rather my junior. No, because I'm here to give the little one I understand. I'm here to give out happiness to my sisters or to my brothers. I'm here to encourage, okay? Even if you don't like my topic today, tomorrow you can still like it. So I'm a newcomer. I'm coming. Don't worry. I will give you the best, okay? So my brother, say no to fake life. And they see men where they do fake life. And so they see women where they do fake life, okay? They will go rent motor finish the men. They will say na their motor. They will bring down this social media. A lot of things don't happen. Lot of things don't happen. What if they not be? What if we not be? We will say we be. Ask where they not get, they'll say they get. Shoe where they not buy, they'll say they buy. You don't understand? So this one way, order full everywhere. Everything full everywhere. The one where your money reach, buy. The one where your money not see reach, leave on. Not use person you. Can't spoil your own, okay? Because results, they never call results. If they want call results, they're not going to open your wardrobe. Can't they call results? 9. If you like, you hear. If you not like, leave on. Okay? If they want call results for what you don't use your hand to do, for example, say your whole personal, even if na land now you get, they will say call the results. Say yes, na land now I get. Then na truth, now I get. But if they want call result, what you not get, they will call and say, see, you see, otaho or get odore. You where they use your money, they buy marker, for example. If you get the money, or if the money is enough, you can buy beautiful things for yourself, you know. But if you pass away where you get projects, where they do projects, where they do back thing for Nigeria, you don't need to buy expensive things too much, because what you can achieve, what you can euro for, now be that project where you they do. For example, for Africa, or where you want to buy for here, you know. Now those things now you come here for, now you suffer for. You not come here, maybe you can't suffer for clothes. And they want call the results. They not go come enter your wardrobe, come open your wardrobe. Say this one a marker, you buy this one for 300. This one a shoe, you buy it for 500. You don't ever see where they go buy shoe. They will buy shoe for 500. If they want concealant, they'll concealant for 500. If they want selling, I don't want to sell. Now, instead of you buy something for 500, if you want to sell the shoe, even though na marker no be marker, if they to buy that shoe, it will be 100 euro or 80 euro, because it not be like gold. If you want to invest, people will get wisdom. If they want to invest, not be for clothes, not be for shoe, not be for all those things. Even all those your shoe, or learn this even better person. If you say na lie, ask people where you get wisdom. Or learn this na investment self, even better pass that shoe. Shoe na fellow use, na dem wan call am if you don't dey market. But or learn this, e no be fellow use, e dey market. You see the market. Gold no be fellow use. E like you don't fair use the gold or 3 years, 4 years. You want to go resell am. Now small, now just checkele money. After say they know the worth of that gold. They know say get na quality. They know the character where that gold gets. You go see what money for you. All those are our mommy before they Euro before. Those are our mommy we fair con Euro before we can't even they dream say we want con Euro. You know what they invest with their money that time? They invest for gold. They buy gold. They buy gold, go they keep. When you will see their kids where they put gold, you go hey. When something go riegbe can be. Now that gold, now they go they sell. Now they go give Ansa, they go sell them of it by me. But they not go give Ansa the marker, the Gucci, the G&G, all those things where they buy. They not go Ansa not go buy them as the way they want to buy gold. You like you buy a Mali for 1,000. You know go fit tell me say you will sell her for 800. Then we all there. And when no, emi move back we need zero. Now only gold. Now you see high small. And then maybe you land this if you be woman gold and you land this. Trouser. A trouser no we John ne mini bouve gejine. Uhiame no hiando. Uhiame no hiando. So who get here? Me. You understand? Who knows say get here? Me live. So if you want to invest for better thing. No be shirt, wardrobe. I can't let them wear to have even ya debu, even ya dona. Even a television could be masse. Una the television. No, all those plasma could be say. What you make you or we are say or massa book more material things. All those things, for example. So please, my people, let's reason together. If you come across this video, please like this video and give this video a thumbs up. I need your opinion, please. You know, now me and you team, okay? We run it together, okay? So when you watch this video, you like this topic, drop your comments, okay? Drop your comments, please. Support this channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. At any time I upload a new video, you will be the first person to notify. Please, guys, do that for your joy. Support your sister. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for coming. You are blessed in Jesus' name. Amen. Choose. Bye-bye from now. Think within I tell you, sister. Think within I tell you, brother. No before quarrel, okay? I know it sorts you. I don't welcome insult. I don't welcome insult in my comments below, please. If you don't like my topic, you can go, please. Don't insult me because I know insult you. I don't like problem. You know me say I know sabi problem. Oh, if you look my eye, you go know say this small eye. Nobody will not sabi pepper, but I don't want problem. Please, I don't give you problem. Please don't give me problem. Respect yourself. You not be 18 years, me not be 18 years. Any small picky way leave Africa for good. I believe say he carry big age for year. I say all those bedan sellers where they don't know what they carry for year. They say travel is a part of education. Travel is the wise person. They give wisdom. But for your own, you say for your own, they used to the cost person where you talk good thing. God pass you. Okay? Take it or you leave it. Bye-bye from now. Choose.